Let's learn real English. Naturally, confidently, together. Welcome to Smart Learning English channel.
Have you ever arrived at an airport and suddenly forgotten what to say in English? Don't worry. Today, you'll learn how to speak English naturally at the airport. By the end of this conversation, you'll feel more confident when you travel. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills naturally. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Now, let's get started. Hi, Dave. How are you today?
Hi, Cindy. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing great, thank you. You look excited today.
I am. I'm thinking about traveling.
Really? Where would you like to go?
Maybe Japan or Canada? I haven't decided yet.
Those are both wonderful places.
Yes, but there's one problem.
What's that?
I get nervous at the airport.
Really? Why?
Because everyone speaks English. Sometimes I don't know what to say.
That's a very common feeling. Many travelers feel the same way.
I'm happy to hear that. I thought it was only me.
Not at all. Airports can feel busy. There are many people, there are many signs, there are many announcements. It can feel confusing.
Exactly. Sometimes I don't know where to go first.
That's okay. Let's imagine we're traveling together today.
That sounds fun. Where do we start?
We start at the airport entrance.
Okay. I arrive with my suitcase.
Good. What's the first thing you usually do?
I look for my airline.
Exactly. You look for the check-in counter.
Right. I see many counters. Sometimes I don't know which one is mine.
That's why it's important to look at the airport screens. They show your flight number. They also show the check-in counter.
Oh, that makes sense.
Then you walk to the correct counter.
And I wait in line.
Yes, you wait for your turn.
Sometimes the line is very long.
Yes, that happens quite often.
While I wait, I always check my passport. Again and again.
Many people do that.
I'm always afraid I'll lose it.
Your passport is one of the most important things, so it's good to check it.
That's true. I also check my ticket.
Yes, or your booking information on your phone.
I think I would check it 5 times.
Only 5?
Maybe 10.
That's okay. It helps you feel ready.
When it's finally my turn, I walk to the counter.
Good. The airline staff will usually greet you.
What might they say?
They may say good morning or hello.
That's simple.
Yes. Then they may ask, may I see your passport, please?
I understand that. I give them my passport.
Exactly. Then they may ask for your booking or your ticket.
So I can show my phone?
Yes, many people do that now.
That's easy.
Very easy.
Should I say anything when I give them my passport?
You can simply say, here you are.
Oh, I hear that expression a lot.
Yes, it's polite and very natural.
After that, what happens next?
The airline staff will check your information. They'll look at your passport, they'll look at your booking. They may type on the computer for a moment.
I always wonder what they're doing.
They're making sure everything is correct.
That makes me feel better.
Good. After they finish checking, they'll ask you another important question.
Really? What question?
It's one of the most common questions you'll hear at every airport. Let's practice that together in the next part. Are you ready for the next step?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. The airline staff may ask, do you have any bags to check in?
What does that mean?
It means, do you have a suitcase for the airplane?
Oh, I understand. If I have one, I can say, yes, I do.
Exactly. Very simple.
And if I don't?
You can say, no, I only have this backpack.
That's easy to remember.
Yes, short answers are natural.
What happens next?
The staff will put your suitcase on the scale.
To check the weight?
That's right. They need to know how heavy it is.
I always hope it isn't too heavy.
Many people feel the same way.
I always worry before my trip.
That's normal.
If my suitcase is okay, what happens next?
The staff will put a tag on your suitcase.
A luggage tag?
Yes, a luggage tag. Then your suitcase goes to the airplane.
So I don't carry it anymore.
Exactly. You'll see it again after your flight.
That makes traveling easier.
It does.
After my suitcase is checked, what does the staff usually say?
They may ask, would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
Oh, I've heard that question before.
It's very common.
What's the difference?
A window seat is next to the window. You can enjoy the view.
I like looking outside.
Many people do.
And an aisle seat?
An aisle seat is next to the walkway. It's easier to stand up.
That's a difficult choice.
It depends on what you like.
I think I would choose the window seat.
Good choice. Then you can simply say, a window seat, please.
That's a polite answer.
Yes, very polite.
What if I want an aisle seat?
Then you say, an aisle seat, please.
That's easy.
Very easy.
What happens after I choose my seat?
The staff will print your boarding pass.
The boarding pass is very important, isn't it?
Yes, you'll need it before you get on the airplane.
So I should keep it somewhere safe.
Exactly. Many people keep it with their passport.
That's a good idea. Then I won't lose it.
That's right. Passport together, boarding pass together. Everything is easy to find.
After I receive my boarding pass, can I go to my airplane?
Not yet. There's one more important place you must visit first.
Really? What is it?
It's a place every traveler goes before reaching the departure gate. Let's talk about that in the next part. You have your passport. You have your boarding pass. Now it's time for the next step.
Yes. Where do I go now?
Now you go to the security check.
I always feel a little nervous there.
Many people do, but don't worry. The process is usually simple.
That's good to hear.
First, you wait in line.
There are usually many people.
Yes, sometimes it's busy, sometimes it's quiet. It depends on the time.
When it's my turn, what should I do?
The security officer will guide you. Just listen carefully.
Okay.
You may hear, please put your bag here.
So I put my backpack on the belt?
Exactly.
What about my jacket?
You may need to take it off, then place it in a tray.
I understand.
You may also put your phone, your keys, and your wallet in the tray.
Everything for my pockets?
Yes, usually everything.
That makes sense.
Then you walk through the security scanner.
Do I need to hurry?
No. Take your time, stay calm, follow the instructions.
That sounds easy.
It is.
What happens after I walk through?
You collect your things, you check your bag, you check your passport, and you make sure you don't leave anything behind.
I would probably check my passport again.
That's a good habit.
I never want to lose it.
Neither do I.
After security, am I finished?
Almost. There's one more important step.
Really? What's next?
Yes. Now you need to find your departure gate.
How do I find it?
Look at your boarding pass. You'll see a gate number.
Oh, so I follow the airport signs.
Exactly. The signs are very helpful.
What if I can't find my gate?
You can ask an airport worker.
What can I say?
You can politely ask, "Excuse me, where is gate 15?"
That's a very useful question.
Yes, people ask it every day.
And they will help me?
Of course, airport staff are there to help travelers.
That makes me feel much more relaxed.
I'm glad.
When I arrive at my gate, what do I do?
You sit down, you wait for the boarding announcement.
Should I keep listening?
Yes, listen carefully. Watch the information screen too.
I think I'm feeling much more confident now.
That's wonderful. You've done everything very well so far, but there's one exciting moment left.
Really? What's next?
The boarding announcement begins, and it's finally time to get on the airplane. Let's experience that together in the final part. Now you've arrived at your departure gate. You're almost ready to travel.
I can't believe it. I made it this far.
You did a great job. Now let's talk about boarding the airplane.
Yes, I've been waiting for this part.
Sometimes you'll hear an announcement.
What kind of announcement?
The airport staff may say, "Boarding will begin soon."
So I should listen carefully.
Exactly. Don't rush, just listen.
Then what happens?
The staff will invite passengers to board. Sometimes they call people by groups.
Should I stand up right away?
Only when your group is called.
That sounds easy.
Yes, there's no need to hurry.
When it's my turn, I walk to the gate.
That's right. Then the staff will ask for your boarding pass.
I show my boarding pass.
Yes, and you may also show your passport.
I'm glad I kept them together.
That makes everything much easier.
After they check them, what do they say?
They may smile and say, "Have a nice flight."
That's a friendly expression.
It is. You can simply reply, "Thank you."
Or I can say, "Thank you very much."
Absolutely. Both are polite.
Then I walk onto the airplane.
Yes. Now you look for your seat number.
I check my boarding pass again.
Good idea. You'll see your row number and your seat letter.
Sometimes I walk very slowly. I don't want to sit in the wrong seat.
Many people do the same. Take your time.
When I find my seat, I put my bag away.
Exactly. Place your bag in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you if it's small.
Then I sit down.
Yes. Fasten your seatbelt and relax.
I think that's my favorite part. Everything feels calm.
Mine too. You can take a deep breath, look out the window, or simply enjoy the moment.
I don't feel nervous anymore. I feel excited.
That's wonderful. Traveling becomes much easier when you understand simple English.
Today, we learned so many useful expressions.
Let's remember them together.
First, I find the check-in counter.
Then you check in.
Next, I check my suitcase.
Then you receive your boarding pass.
After that, I go through security.
Then you find your departure gate.
Next, I wait for the boarding announcement.
Then you show your boarding pass and passport.
Finally, I find my seat, sit down, and enjoy the flight.
Perfect. You remembered every step.
I feel much more confident about going to the airport now.
I'm so happy to hear that. Remember, you don't need perfect English. Speak slowly, listen carefully, smile, and stay calm. That's enough.
Thank you, Cindy. This conversation really helped me.
You're very welcome. Before we finish, let's ask everyone a question.
Great idea.
Have you ever traveled by airplane?
Or are you planning your first flight soon?
Tell us in the comments, which airport would you like to visit?
We'd love to hear your answers.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and enjoy your English learning journey.
We'll see you in our next Real English conversation.
Bye, everyone!